Getting rid of pigeons on your own isn't easy. These common birds have a strong homing instinct that makes them want to nest and put down roots in an established location. And considering pigeons can produce up to 4 broods a year, a few birds on your roof can quickly turn into an infestation, bringing serious structural and health concerns along with it. Because pigeon droppings contain uric acid, which is highly corrosive, pigeons can cause a great deal of damage in a very short amount of time, and their nests are known to cause extensive damage to air conditioning units. Not to mention that the bacteria, fungal agents, and ectoparasites found in pigeon droppings can pose a major health risk. If you are in a more commercial area, the presence of pigeons may be harming your bottom line, as flocks communicate an unprofessional, unhygienic, and unsightly look for your business, along with the cost of the damage they may cause or liabilities they may present. Do your best to be aware of the first sign of these birds and scare them off before they scare away your customers. There are a number of bird control products on the market today, but unfortunately, many are visually unappealing, like steel spikes, harmful to the environment, like rooftop netting, and more often than not, simply ineffective for truly eradicating pigeon flocks. At Flock Off, we are proud to offer a long-lasting, environmentally friendly, and guaranteed effective pigeon control solution with the installation of an elegant Flock Off device. Our system guarantees a pigeon-free environment by establishing an electromagnetic field around your building and rooftop, which disorients the pigeons and prevents them from landing. The field is generated by a compact device that runs on very low energy consumption and does not cause any harm to the birds. Much like the old scarecrows and kite tails of the past, Flock Off deters birds without causing them any harm, but is a great deal more effective. Installation is done through a detailed study of the space the device will be protecting, and our post-installation monitoring process ensures that the protection barrier works completely and effectively. Solve your pigeon problems the smart way with Flock Off's innovative bird control system.